to respond to Digvijay Singh that all these senior BJP leaders, one after another, are getting COVID. He's drawing a link with the 5th of August, saying that this is a Shubh Muhurat that you've picked for this Bhumi Pujan in Ayodhya, which is why things have already started going wrong. How does the BJP and how do you respond to Digvijay Singh's charge? Sudhanshu Trivedi.
Rahul, first of all, I would like to say that those who were having utter disrespect to religion, now at least they have started accepting the religious norms. And yes, I believe in Muhur and I can have a scientific discussion on Muhur. But Rahul, where are those people, the champions of the scientists, rational, logical things, Andhavishwas Nirmulan Samiti? Now they are seen nowhere. Neither they were there in the show when it was said that कि नमाज पढ़ने से कोरोना भाग जाएगा, and neither they are seen when it is said गलत मुहूर्त में होने से कोरोना हो जाएगा. Where are those people in the solar eclipse? They were seen on the television channel. मैं तो खा रहा हूँ, कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, अंधविश्वास है. Everybody is mum. This is the political angle because Congress has said it. Now, coming to that aspect which Mr. Digvijay Singh is saying, I just want to say that Sri Ram Janmabhoomi movement has started in the several stages. It has come to the final stage. But what was the first stage? 9th November 1989. When the Shilanyas was done, it was on the Dev Prabodhani Ekadashi. 30th November 1990, when Kar Seva was done, Mulayam Singh's famous statement, Parinda par nahi maar payega, but Kar Sevaks have entered into Garbhagriha. Dev Prabodhani Ekadashi. So it had started a series of events where then subsequently the makeshift temple and the results of the courts and other things. Now this has come the final stage. And even if somebody is having any problem with the Muhur, I would like to just quote a Sanskrit text. You know, it is said in Sanskrit and Dharma Shastra that Muhur and the planets are subject to the authority of Dharma. It is said, Dharmena hanyate vyadhi, Dharmena hanyate graha, Dharmena hanyate shatru, yato dharmas tato jaya. It means it is Dharma which finally eliminates all the miseries and the disease. It is Dharma which controls the planetary motion and Muhur. And it is Dharma which finally eliminates the enemies. And that's why where there is a Dharma, there is a victory. And this Yato Dharmas Tato Jaya is on the emblem of the Supreme Court of India. So that's why I'm saying if somebody wants to make. And finally one sentence. Now will they apologize that when Dr. Murli Manohar Joshi has included astrology in the syllabus and they have made so much in hue and cry? Either they should apologize for that or withdraw this statement.
Okay.
I want an answer.
One second. Pandit Ajay Gautam, you sent me a long detailed message saying that you very strongly oppose the Muhurat and the date and time. Sudhanshu Trivedi saying, you know, if it's about Bhagwan Ram and if it's about Dharm, then the Muhurat doesn't matter. Can you lay out, Ajay Gautam, your objections to the date and the time that's been picked and why you think that this is a big problem?
Nakshatra Tithi, Yoga Var Karan, when you get together all these 5 things, then it's called Panchang. And as far as concerned to the Panchang, there is some established rule in Vishwakarma Prakash, Main Matam and Samrangan Sutradhar. I will chant a shlok of the Vishwakarma Prakash, which is the Deva Swasti Prakurvantu Sagana Sayudhastita Kindra Deva Skandarvasa Apsarasa Vinayaka Kalyanam Cha Prakurvantu Patalasta Surasuva Rasa Talecha Ye Deva Talatal Nivasina. So it's a long prayer. But what is the meaning to say? But if you are doing something which has a very big impact on the nation, which is connected to the heart of everyone, which is connected to the soul of everyone, then you have to do in an appropriate time. There is after the Devashayan Ekadashi and before the Devuthan Ekadashi, there is some specific period in the light of the astrology, in the light of the astronomy, no auspicious work can be performed with regard to the construction of a temple where a 500 years long fight.
No, Pandit Ajay Gautam, I asked one second, sir.
Legal fight.
1 second, sir. We asked the VHP working president Alok Kumar about the date and time that had been chosen. He says eminent Pandits in Varanasi and Ayodhya have been consulted. When the function involves Lord Ram, then how can it be inauspicious? What is your specific objection? Lay that out.
me and my learned friend Sudhanshu Trivedi, 99% have the same point of view, a part of the dish. As far as concerned to the Varanasi priest, I am also belong to the Varanasi. I am a scholar of the Lal Bahadur Rashtriya Sanskrit Vidya Peeth. So I proudly say that yes, I am a champion of this subject. If somebody has, yes, this is the right time to perform this thing, then go read the Kishkinda Kand of the Ramayana. Then Lord Ram says, no, we have to wait until and unless the Varsha Ritu is going to end. Thereafter they get together and they will perform any kind of action when the Chaturmas was ended. Issue is not that I said. If you discuss this thing, this is connected to the Muhurat, then I am challenging all of the Brahman which are approved and they said this is the appropriate Muhurat. Come and sit with me.